2,000. I'm so sorry, Shazam. It's okay. You win Al's heart. True. Bakit kaya di siya nananalo? Why you never win? I have win, but this one never. Oh, why? It's salty. But it's okay. At least have 300, right? Floyd, may birthday PK ako. Shazam! Oh, Shazam, you watch me on 16. June 16. I have OPK. Birthday PK. 10 p.m. time here. It's my birthday. 10 days to go. Oo. Panoorin mo ako, boy, daw. Kahit dun ka na lang magbagsak. Ipunin mo. Lupet, hello. I hope I win. Tinatapad sa akin si Kuya Ems. Hi, PJ. How are you, PJ? Quit na ako. Ganyan ka naman eh. Alam ko naman may ano ka na, may iba ka na. Ginaganyan mo na ako. Okay lang din. Tagasan ka, PJ? Wala talaga. Ganyan ka sa akin. Magti-trip lang ako na mag-send ka na affected ka naman. Ganyan na ba yung sign na may iba na yung tao? PJ, tagasan ka? Taga Pampanga. The one, hello. Guys, you help me to reach 5-star. Nasaan ka ngayon, PJ? Oo nga, bakit ka pa nag-quit? Pwede ka naman mag-stay kahit wala kang nasisin. Kailangan ba yun? Oh, Shazam! OMG, Shazam. Canada po. 5-star. Yeah. I need... Boom. Anong oras na ba dyan, PJ? I need... Wait. So strong. True. I need 600 more. Oh, good evening. Gusto mo ba i-try yung 1K, PJ? Shazam! It's so more. Ano yun? Ito, oh. I'm shy because you lose, ano, okay. May reward ka kapag sinunod mo yan. You have a reward. This is my eye cream. Like, because my under eye, it's okay. Thank you so much, Shazam. You're so kind. Basta't sasaya ka. Gusto mo ba sumaya? Guys, if you want to give me a gift in my birthday, give me some like this. Like, ay, nakikita pala yung pangalan ko. True. Like makeup. It's so many. So many makeup here. Then the same. Like this. My favorite brand. Di naman nakita. Nakikita pala yung name ko. My favorite brand. If you want to sponsor Celine, bigyan niyo ako ng Celine. Ano ba to? Look, so many cylinder. Ay, mahal yun. Celine lang kaya ko. Guys, 600 more. Hi, Rene. Same price lang sila. Sige, maghahanap ako.